Hi, first grade. Today is lesson 81 for phonics, and we are going to get started learning a new rule today. And so I want you to echo these words and tell me what sound they have in common. Wafer, gravy. What sound is the same in wafer and gravy? The A sound. Look at wafer and gravy. What should we do before coding this word? We need to look for suffixes or final stable syllables. Are there any suffixes or final stable syllables? No, there are not. So next we'll look for some obvious coding. Do you see any obvious coding? Maybe a digraph or a combination? Yeah, we have combination ER. So put an arc underneath combination ER. And next we're going to find the vowels. And how many vowels do you see in this word? 2. Which letters are the vowels? A and E. So when we have more than one vowel in a word, we need to find the vowel pattern. So we're going to write the V's underneath the vowels, A and E. And we look between the vowels for consonants. How many consonants come between the vowel? Just one, the F. Okay, so our syllable division rule will not work on this. We need 2 consonants and we only have 1. So this is a new vowel pattern today. This is a V, C, V pattern. Normally we have V, C, C, V. So the best place to divide a word that follows the V, C, V pattern is after the first vowel. So I'm going to draw a division line after the A. And we always try to accent on the first syllable first. Okay? So I'm going to accent that first syllable. So let's see what we have in each syllable now. The A is open and accented, so we will put a macron above the A. And the E is already part of combination ER. Again, this word is wafer. Wafer. Now, let's look at gravy. Do you see any suffixes? Any final stable syllables? No. So next we are going to look for the vowels. So we have vowel A, but Y is also acting as a vowel here. I'm going to put a dot above the Y, and there is only one consonant in between the vowels. So this is another vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. Remember, we draw the dividing line after the first vowel, and that syllable is accented. So what will we put above the A? A macron, because it is open. There's not a consonant in that same syllable after it. What sound is the Y making in this word? Gravy. It's saying E, so we do not need to add any more coding. This is gravy. Let's practice dividing some nonsense words with that pattern. So I'm going to write 2 words. These are not real words, but we can still divide them. Let me write the 2 words for us, and then we will move on to our worksheet. A quick lesson today. All right, here are our 2 nonsense words. Again, these words are not real, but we are still going to code them and divide them. So first we look for syllables. Is there a syllable? Or, I'm sorry, not a syllable. We're looking for a suffix. Do you see a suffix on the first word? Yeah, suffix ed. Putting a box around suffix ed. Next, we'll look for any obvious coding. Do you see any digraphs or combinations? Yeah, I see digraph CH, combination ER. Now we'll look for the vowels. I have vowel A, vowel E, only one consonant, so we are going to divide after the A. That syllable is going to be accented. What do we need above the A? Right, a macron. And the E is already coded as a combination. Chaberted is how I would pronounce this word. Let's move on to the second word. Do you see any suffixes or final stable syllables? Right, there is suffix NESS. So we'll put a box around it. Okay. Any other obvious coding? I don't see any either. So let's look for the vowels. A and E. Only one consonant, so we'll divide after the A. That syllable will be accented. How will we code the A? With a macron. How will we code the E? With a breve. Let's try to say this word. Flamelness. Flamelness. Again, this is a nonsense word, but great job coding. Now you can join me for our worksheet.